Hey you guys, how's it going? So I just got this delivery from UPS. It's something I have wanted for quite a while. And of course, as I'm sure you can see here, it is the HP Envy 17. And I was just going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. So we'll start off here. This is the box it was shipped in. It's quite a large, hefty box. Really nothing on it, it's all black. It says HP Envy on it. And it's a little bit, I have not opened this up yet. But I have cut the tape here just to help make this video a little bit faster. So you'll see when we open it up here, you get a smaller box on the inside. So you see here, this is the actual retail box here. It's covered in plastic. Okay, so you see here, very, very gorgeous box here, being HP's highest end notebook. I am not surprised. So you got the HP logo, and then you got this sleeve, this little band here that goes around. It says Envy, Beats Audio, looks very nice. Nothing really on the other side, just all black. Let's go ahead and get to it. Again, it says Envy in the nice silver lettering. And if we lift the top up off of here, you can see here we get the HP quick setup, and if you can see there, it kind of has the pattern that's etched into the laptop. It's very cool. And here we have the monster itself in this very nice protective sleeve here. It says HP Envy 17. Let's set it to the side just real quick. Let's see here, it says thank you for selecting HP Envy. And here is what I really like. It comes with a 2 GB SD card that has all the manuals on it. And then there's some additional paperwork in here. Using Blu-ray disc drives. Here we have the extended 9-cell battery. I got it with the extra battery. Here's the power cord. However this opens. Standard stuff. And the power brick. It's a sizable brick. It's not as big as the brick for my previous laptop. I had the HP HDX 18, which was one monster of a computer. This is a little bit smaller, but it's still quite big, but the HP Envy 17 is also a large notebook. That's it for the box. Now let's get to what everyone really wants to see, and that is the NV17 here. So if we slide that off. And here you can see, got the HP logo up here with a mirror finish, and it glows when the computer is turned on. On the outside here you see the magnesium finish on the, and you can see it has a very subtle kind of floral pattern that's laser etched into the body. Along the right side here, you see we got two USB ports. We have SD card reader, the slot loading Blu-ray drive, power port, and your lock connection. Along the front, we got our two Beats audio speakers and your indicator lights for power and hard drive access. And along this side, we have the vent, VGA, Ethernet, a mini display port, HDMI, eSATA USB 2.0 combo port, and we have a super speed USB 3.0 port. And then we have two headphone jacks, and one of those doubles as a microphone jack as well. Along the back, nothing except another small vent. And along the bottom here, that right there is the HP triple bass reflex subwoofer. If we go ahead and open it up here, you can see protective covering. And here we have, again, the continuing metal finish. You got the large multi-touch trackpad, the island style backlit keyboard with the full number pad. And we have the 17-inch Infinity View display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 full HD. So anyway guys, that was just a quick unboxing. I really like the way this computer looks, and I've really been looking forward to getting myself one of these for a while now. I'll be doing another video shortly after I've had a little bit of time to play around with it, and I will give you guys my review. Thanks a lot.